Hello everyone and welcome to the Plant Care Tips channel. Today I am sharing rubber plant care tips and types. Ficus elastica, also known as the rubber plant, is an unusual-looking varietal native to the tropics of Southeast Asia. The rubber plant is a popular ornamental plant from the Ficus genus. In its natural habitat, it grows over 30 meters tall. However, the varieties grown indoors are a much more manageable height. For the indoor grower looking for a tree-type plant species with attractive foliage which can grow from 1 foot to over 8 foot tall, this is an excellent choice. Rubber plants are easy to care for and can grow quickly under the right conditions. They're sturdy, tolerant, and simple to please. Keep their soil slightly moist, make sure they get plenty of sunshine, and if you're at a comfortable temperature, they'll be comfortable too. Just be sure to keep rubber plants out of reach from small hands and little paws, as latex can be poisonous when ingested and can cause some skin irritation. Low maintenance and eye-catching, rubber plants are an effortless way to add elegance to your home. With the simple steps in this video, you can give your rubber plant the best chance to thrive. Water when the soil is almost completely dry. You'll need to do this more often in the summer than in the winter. Spray with a mister every few days, they like to keep their leaves moist. Place in a bright room, but keep away from super sunny windows to avoid sunburn. Between 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius is their optimum temperature. Repot in spring when needed, using houseplant compost. Wipe away dust with a clean cloth so the pores can breathe freely. Feed with liquid fertilizer once a month in spring and summer. The most common varieties for growing indoors include Ficus Elastica Tineke, Ficus Elastica Burgundy, Ficus Elastica Ruby, and Ficus Elastica Robusta. They all grow well indoors when given the right conditions, such as ample sunlight, but not bright, direct sunlight that can easily scorch its leaves. Like most plants in their genus, rubber plants love lots of bright, diffused light. They can tolerate soft morning sunlight but should be moved out of the line of harsh direct rays in the afternoon as they can singe the leaves. Plants that do not receive sufficient light will become leggy, lose their lower leaves, and their leaf color will become dull instead of glossy and vibrant. Water your rubber plant frequently, they like to be kept steadily moist but not soaked. Rubber plants also are vulnerable to excessive dryness and don't tolerate drought well. To check if it's time for another watering, check the moisture levels in the first few inches of soil. If they're dry and crumbly, it's time to water your plant again. Like other types of ficus trees, these plants are vulnerable to cold drafts. Unhealthy plants will become leggy, with stretching internodes, and the leaves might first turn yellow and then brown before dropping off entirely. Generally, rubber trees are best kept in moderate to warm temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, with moderate humidity as well. If your home tends to be dry, invest in a space humidifier to increase the levels. Feed the plant a weak liquid fertilizer throughout the growing season. They are relatively heavy feeders when healthy. Some experts recommend only lightly fertilizing indoor plants to prevent stretching and plants becoming root-bound because they grow too fast. Potential problems. Loss of leaves. The most common cause is overwatering, which will need attention ASAP. Other conditions can also cause leaves to drop, including low temperatures, not enough light, or cold drafts. Moving your plant from a bright location to a dim one can also cause leaf drop. It's normal for some of the bottom leaves to turn yellow and drop, but do check if conditions are okay. Leaf edges yellowing. This is really a process of elimination. The problem could be poor soil, underfeeding, or too much water. You'll need to check each one of the care instructions and eliminate what you're doing well and try to find the cause. If you've watched it so far, I'd appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.